Hello, welcome to our Hyunsang Machinery, and now what you see is our Hyundai fine motor. It used on the Hyundai Excavator, also the wheel loader Ecer 740 and 30. Now this is our labor, and now you see the detail. Hi friend, welcome to Hyunsang Machinery. Now what you see is our alternator. It's used for the Komatsu Excavator PC407. This is pulley. This is our neighbor with part number and part name. The back side. Hi friend, welcome to Hyunsang Machinery. Now what you see is our steering valve used for the Komatsu wheel loader WA320. This is our labor. You can see our part number 9141964450101. The steering valve.
Hi friend, welcome to Hyunsang Machinery. Now you can see it is our repair kit. It's used for Caterpillar 320D, 325DL.
Ecer technology makes foreign trading easier.